God, he's gonna wipe off all of them.
Put it in the basket. Put it in the basket. That's what that's for. See any more?
I see one in here. My basketball.
See any more?
Stop touching out.
Well, he's small.
Okay,
He's
so
gonna
make
miss
this round.
round.
He needs
Like
shoes.
this.
He's not gonna get them because they're in the mud. Look at him. Look at him.
Some came out.
No, that's not an egg. That's a jelly bean, and I don't know if you want it. It's on the ground. You see the eggs though?
Then get them.
Put them in your basket. He's saying he can't. What do you want? Shoe size? You want to put your shoe size? You can step on it.
Nathan.
It's okay. You gonna get some more eggs?
Get more eggs, Nathan.
Yeah.
You put it in the spiky plant, Roberta.
He
wipes all
Oh.
his
She didn't do
hands.
it. The Easter Bunny did it. No,
Nathan, no, that's not an egg.
That's my tomatoes.
Bobby, how the rose bush with thorns? Really?
What do you say?
No, I didn't.
You did though. You
On the
totally
other
did.
side.
It's still the same thing.
Bobby.
Good job.
Good job, Nathan. See any more? Where? Did you put any hanging on? No. You haven't either. Except for
Oh, that's right there.
Nathan.
Ooh, that sounds like money.
Ooh.
Maybe you should open it and look. Maybe you should go look up here.
There's no one up here? I knew you were going to do that one.
You're on video. He just broke my necklace.
Oh.
Little shithead. Go away.
That's not an egg.
Oh, I'm in the way.
Nah.
Have you seen any more?
Nathan, what's that by the ball?
Mm-hmm. Go get more eggs, Nathan. Mm-hmm.
I moved it, now it's gone. I heard it crash. Well, you know?
That blue one over there?
No, it was a real one. It was on the table and it rolled. It's gone now.
Maybe there's a blue
Maybe
one
the
with stickers
squirrel
on
ate it.
I don't know. Bob put it here. I went over here and I put it right
I
here.
even saw it on the table.
And then all of a sudden I heard a crunch. And then I looked.
Ooh.
I don't see it on the ground or anything. I thought, well, maybe somebody moved it.
No.
Nathan, do you see any eggs?
You don't see a blue one, huh?
Go get it.
Maybe the mouse took it.
What about me? Yeah? Anything else? Turn around. Turn around. Keep going. Walk over here. Walk over here.
It's your favorite spot to go. You always climb over there.
There's glass.
You see one. There you go.
Careful, Nathan.
That's weird, huh? Here, it rolled this way. I don't know. Maybe a squirrel did take it. Heck, I don't know.
Was a shell on it?
Yeah, was a blue one. I thought maybe someone moved it.
5 minutes and 30 seconds.
I don't have what?
Oh, who's denting?
Huh?
Ooh. Ooh, what's that?
Hey,
What's wrong, Susie?
I got one egg. Hey, there's egg right on.
What's that?
Hey!
See another one on the
Ooh.
table?
I didn't see it. I see one right here. I put it in my basket. I didn't see more.
Let's go this way, Nathan.
There's one. There's one right there. I found one.
That's a pretty one.
Ooh.
Let's go get another one. I don't see any more.
One over here, but I don't know. That's the same one.
Here.
Ooh.
They just go for an egg.
Wow, look at all your eggs.
Oh my gosh.
Don't leave this spot yet.
There's an egg right there.
Bobby, I mean Nathan. Look in the bush.
Ooh.
He got a leaf in there.
There's an egg right there.
Hey,
Oh?
and over there. He's
Cindy,
sitting
you see
out
this?
there.
You see
Oh
the?
my god. Did those just fall out of his basket?
Yeah.
Keep the bunnies out.
What fell out? Go get it.
Look. There's an egg in there. Whoa.
Get me out. He wants you to get him out.
Huh? We cut the edge. Wow.
There's an egg right there.
Look in the tree.
It's not a
Look in the
tree.
bush. The bush. The green bush. Nathan, look in the bush. The jade plant.
Like, no,
Not
it's
worried.
a jade plant.
We talk out here. You know plants, honey, right here. Look in the tree. Look, it's orange. It's like a flower. There you go.
I see another one.
Another
Which
one.
one's that? That's the SpongeBob.
It's a Bob Bob egg.
Oh, where I go?